Okay, the quarter inch is rated at 30 foot-pounds. I've just torqued this bolt here to 30 foot-pounds. Let's see if it can do it. I have to break it loose. So they failed my torque test, but as you can see, they've been battered, used and abused. They still work. I paid $120 for the two tools together, two batteries, a charger, and it came with a bag as well. So this was 3 years ago, back in 2021. So I've had great value for money for these, but it looks like it's about time I upgraded. I'll be definitely keeping these in my toolbox. I use them quite often. I don't usually go up to a bolt and tear it off straight away. I have to break it sometimes. Usually when I'm doing spark plugs, I'll get the little 8mm bolt off with ease. They work pretty good, but I guess with the torque test, they're probably coming to the end of their days now.